Hey all, I'm so very excited to introduce you to this chapter. Let's begin with a question that's always been in our mind. Ever wonder how plants get their food? I mean, they don't have a fridge at home, they don't have a pizza delivery app, they don't have any kind of food delivery apps that's gonna get them food home, right? So, plants are pretty special. They're like these tiny little chefs who are inside the leaves, whipping up their own ingredients, whipping up their own meals using very simple ingredients. That simple process is called as photosynthesis. So the key ingredient for this process or key ingredient for this photosynthesis is chlorophyll. It's a green pigment found in the leaves. It's like a plant's magic ingredient capturing sunlight, the main source of energy. Plants also need carbon dioxide from the air, which they take in through tiny pores called stomata, and water, which they absorb through their roots. Inside the leaves, the chlorophyll uses the light's energy to transform carbon dioxide and water into sugary substance called glucose. It's like the plant's version of a delicious energy, and a bonus, they release oxygen into air, the air that we breathe. How cool is that? How about I show you how photosynthesis works better? I have a leaf here with me. It's a pretty big leaf. So this leaf is from a plant called it's from a peace lily. So it gives out colored leaves which practically looks like flowers. I have a leaf here with me and I'm going to show you practically about how photosynthesis happens. So when the leaf is attached to the plant, the sun hits the leaves. This tiny particle, the green whatever you see on a leaf is all chlorophyll, okay? So all the chlorophyll particles that's there in the leaf starts preparing food. And then the chlorophyll uses the energy and the sunlight here and the carbon dioxide that comes from our bodies to convert into energy called glucose, which in turn the plants intake it as food, and later their byproduct gives us oxygen. So they take in carbon dioxide from us and they give us pure air, that's oxygen. I hope it understands and you understand this better. Glucose is used by plant for growth, repair, and all of its life activities. So it's like how they build their stems, they build their leaves, how the flowers grow, how the fruits grow, and everything else that's a part of a plant grows. It's all because of glucose. Now, all the green plants can do this amazing thing called as photosynthesis. We know that whether it's like tiny herbs, big bushy shrubs, giant big trees, they're self-sufficient food factories. So next time you see a plant around you, remember that the amazing process of photosynthesis that's happening in those green leaves. It's how they make their food. It's how they provide us with the oxygen we need to live. So all you gotta know is plant is nature's little chefs. I hope you had a great journey in understanding this video, and I hope you understood how the process of photosynthesis works. Thank you.